back to my channel. My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be my 1 week update on my box braids. I do plan on doing this video every week up until I get ready to take them out, because I just want to let y'all know how it's going pretty much. If you didn't see the video before this, it's literally a video all about my box braids. Since I couldn't record a video of me doing them, I just wanted to give y'all all the tips and everything that I did on my hair and just tell y'all exactly how I did it. It's a lengthier video, it's not too long, it's not my longest video ever, as y'all know if you subscribe. But yeah, so I do have a video all about them if you want to watch that. But if you you know about your box braids and how to do them and all that, then you should be good and you can just watch this one, you know. But yeah, so today's video is going to be my 1 week update. I'm actually 2 days late. My hair was completely finished last Monday, like completely finished Monday. Last week, it is Wednesday the next week. So yeah, now I have styled my hair a few times. I didn't post it on Instagram or nothing, but I've styled my braids a few times, you know, tugged in them, did a lot of stuff, not in my opinion, but kind of in my opinion. So my braids shows that I did do on myself. And if you watch my last video, I said I moisturized my hair with this one after doing rubber band method. So I put my hair in the rubber band and then I applied this. I feel like I messed up with doing that because it made my hair a little bit more slippery. I guess like my hair was super moisturized, but I feel like it made it slippery because my braids are getting loose already. Like, let me show you. So like I did like a twisted type of hairstyle. So I did a flat twist. It was with this side and this side, and I did it kind of tightly and it was pulling at the front. So as y'all can see, it's a bit looser right here already. This one is okay. This one is honestly okay. This is what it should look like, but this is what it looks like right here. And then I got like a few, if I can find one that I'm like specifically looking at. This one is kind of loose. Let me see if I can like show y'all. This one right here is pretty loose. As you can see, you see the rubber band. My hair is like slipping. And then actually this braid right here, it slipped out, y'all, but I put it back in and it's pretty good. It's not loose at all right now. It's like comfortable. I said that's so hard. This one slipped out, but I just, you know, put the rubber band back in. Well, I made it tight again, so I put the rubber band back in and I just unbraided the hair because I'm about to use some more hair. And I just reapplied it pretty much the same way that I put it in. Just put a little bit of gel on the hair itself, and then I just braided it back in. And that's what I plan to do with any of them as they come out, because I feel like they are, like my anxiety is telling me that this will not last a long time and my hair is going to start slipping out. And I mean, it has started a little bit, but it's nothing too much, honestly. The back isn't too loose, but it's definitely looser than it was when I first did it. And as for like pain, when I first got them done, since it is the 1 week update, I want to tell you about the whole week. They were super tight, not surprisingly, because I'm heavy-handed. If you ask anybody when I do their hair, I'm heavy-handed. I just like to grip hair tightly so it can last. I'm worried about this one, y'all. It's all loose, but I'm gonna make do. If I gotta take it out, I will and redo it. That's the good thing about knowing how to braid hair and doing your own hair. You can fix it as you see. Okay, so as for like pain, like I was saying, it was really tight. Not real tight, but a little tight. Like I couldn't openly move it around like I can now. And actually, most of these past couple days, I've had my hair up in a ponytail with this. I literally had to take it down before I filmed the video before this, so y'all can actually see the hair. But in these upcoming updates, my hair literally either it'll be styled or it'll be up in a ponytail. Like, that's what I like about braids, is the versatility. Like natural hair, you got a lot of versatility as well, but with braids you can wear it down. Like you can go to sleep and oversleep a little bit and wake up and still be able to just go. Like your hair should be okay, like, because this don't look bad at all. This does not. And yeah, I do plan on trying to wear this for about 6 weeks. I was a little bit discouraged when this one came out. I was like practicing different styles on my hair that I could do, especially like for church and stuff. I wanted to try something new, and a thing slipped out, but it's okay. I put it right back in. Wasn't that big of a deal, but it's not something I want, you know. But yeah, and going back to pain, I do have a couple bumps in my head, because you know when your hair pulls and stuff, you get bumps kind of in the back. It's not real bad, but it's like along like the side back here and in the back, like the nape of my neck, and like over here on this side as well, like over here right there. But it's not nothing real bad, and I feel like I may have a few of them throughout my hair. But yeah, now I don't have what I've been using on my scalp over here with me. I would get it, but if y'all saw my setup, you would completely understand why I'm staying right here. But as y'all know, Grovita Hair Solutions, last year, a couple months ago, they sent me their products, and one of the products they sent me was their hair serum, and it's a hair serum that's targeted towards growth. Now I will link the video right here. No, the video right here. I'll link it right here so y'all can like see what I'm talking about. But if you just go look on my Instagram, you'll see it too if you scroll down a little bit. But yeah, I don't have it with me over here. I wish I did, but that's what I've been using on my scalp, and it is, I don't know if I said this, I think I did, it's made to target hair growth, so you know your hair can grow. And I just been putting that on my scalp, and you know, just because I want to benefit from this, I really do. But yeah, we'll just have to see. I really do like my braids. They still look pretty good. They look old in my opinion, but looking at it on camera, it's looking pretty good. I just need to stop keeping it in a bun, like literally. They still look pretty good. I just pulled my earring out. They still look pretty good. My hair jewelry is still, they are snagging on like my other hair and stuff, and I don't know if it's because my hair is so long and it goes down like to the end of the braid dang near, and that's what it's like clipping on, or I don't know what the case is. But yeah, oh, I wish I would have did my edges before recording. It's okay, I look natural. That's just how I look. I didn't do nothing spectacular. I was gonna get super cute and get dressed up, but nah, it's okay, y'all. All y'all see is this up anyways. I don't look that bad, do I? I don't think so. But yeah, in my first video before this one, I was telling y'all how I used this one, this jam on my roots, or like on my parts and stuff, when I was sectioning it off while applying the rubber bands. It's not that good of an edge control in my opinion, so I have not been using this to do my edges. I have more of this from my old jar. Like I don't know if I told y'all, but I had this short eco styler jar, small, and since this jar is so huge, I would just, or the other jar, I would just take some of the gel out and put it in that small jar, because that's like easier to carry around and stuff versus this, you know. But I've been technically using this on my edges to lay them, and that's what I've been using for the past few months, and it's been okay. Like, my hair is fine. I don't know if y'all use it or if y'all agree with using it, but that's what I use. I don't know what else to tell y'all other than like it's a little loose in certain areas, but again, I don't mind redoing it when the times come. But I do plan on wearing these for 6 weeks, so 5 more weeks hopefully. I don't want to be taking these out until freaking February, honestly, but we'll see. I will let you know everything that's happening this week up until next week in next week's video of my braids. I will let y'all know everything that's happening. I don't have nothing else to report. Next week I'll probably be in my bathroom showing y'all, so y'all can like, I can turn around and stuff. Like I'm sitting down and it's not a big area. You see this, like, and then the wall is right here, like, so it's not a big area, and literally as far back as this phone is, it's pretty much as area as I got. It's like it's not that much. So, but next week I'll be sure to, you know, be in the bathroom and show y'all, you know, the full gist of everything. But that's pretty much what's happening with them this week, and hopefully y'all like this video, because I'll be excited to let y'all know what's happening next week. I do start back school next week too, so we'll just have all of that going on. But I'll make sure to, you know, let y'all know. Also, if you have any video ideas, specifically with these braids, please comment that down below. I really need like some, you know, inspiration and stuff on what's supposed, but that's pretty much it. I don't want this video to be too long, but yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. I lost 2 subscribers. Like, really, that's what y'all doing. And most of y'all who watch my videos ain't even subscribed anyways, so hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to get 150. Please, 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 please. You are the people, okay? I put time and effort into my videos. All I want is just for y'all to appreciate it, you know? Hit the subscribe button. I'm cool. I won't bite you. Come on. I'll give you a hug. Like, come on. Hit that subscribe button. Join the family. Okay? Okay? Okay. Let me stop. I'm doing the most. But yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Y'all, bye.